Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's called the Fluffy Cotton Candy Crochet Stitch. It's reversible, it's nice and thick, with lots of texture and perfect for baby blankets. Please be sure to check out the description box as I will leave information on how to make a baby blanket using this stitch. For this stitch, you only repeat one row, so it's very easy to make. Okay, so let's get started and thank you for watching. Okay, to begin, I'll be using this 5mm crochet hook and this medium number 4 yarn. For this stitch, you can use any yarn as long as you use the recommended hook for the yarn that you're going to use. And for those of you who ask, I'm using Red Heart Bunches of Hugs. It's a medium number 4 in the color pink. Okay, so to begin, the stitch multiple is 3, so I have 42 chains here. In the description box, I'll leave some information for those of you who want to make a baby blanket. Okay, so to begin, on the 3rd chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, I'm going to make a double crochet. And then again into this same stitch, 1 more double crochet. Okay, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, make 1 single crochet. And into this same stitch where I just did my single crochet, I'm going to make 2 more double crochets. 1, 2, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, make 1 single crochet. And into the same stitch, make 2 double crochets. This is your repeat sequence for this first row. So you just skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd chain, you make 1 single crochet, and into the same stitch, make 2 double crochets. Again, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, and into the 3rd, 1 single crochet, and into the same stitch, 2 double crochets. 1, 2. This is all we're going to do until you come to the end of your chain. I will meet you here to show you what we need to do next, and this is what it looks like. Okay, I will meet you at the end to show you what we need to do next. Okay, I'm here at the end. I have these 3 chains left. So into the 3rd chain, which is the last chain, I'm going to make a single crochet. And this is how we end this first row. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so now for the 2nd row, we're going to chain 1 and turn. On top of this single crochet that we just did, I'm going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then we're going to jump to the next single crochet, which is this one here. If you remember, on the previous row we did single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same space. So in this row, on top of the single crochet, we are going to make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into this stitch. Okay, again, skip to the next single crochet, make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Okay, skip to the next single crochet, make a single crochet and then 2 double crochets into the same stitch. This is all we are going to do for the 2nd row. make a single crochet on top of the single crochet of your previous row and then into the same stitch 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Continue like this all the way to the end. I will meet you here to show you how we're going to finish this second row and then show you the third row. Okay, I'm here at the end. To finish this row, all you're going to do is go into these 2 chains that we have here at the beginning and make a single crochet. And this is how we end the second row, and that's what it looks like. Now for the third row, which is the row that you're going to repeat until you have the size that you want, you're going to chain 1 and turn. On top of this single crochet that we just did at the end of the second row, we're going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Skip to the next single crochet right here and make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2. Skip to the next single crochet and make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Again, skip to the next single crochet, make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. This is all we are going to do for this third row. Skip to the next single crochet, make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Okay, so continue like this all the way to the end. I will meet you here at the end to show you how we are going to finish this third row and then start on our fourth row. Okay, I'm here at the end of this third row. To finish this row and all the rows that follow, all you have to do is just go into this chain that we have here at the beginning and make a single crochet. Now for the fourth row, we're going to do the exact same thing we did on the second and on the third row, which is chain 1 and turn. And on top of this single crochet, we're going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And then jump to the next single crochet and make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2. Jump to the next single crochet, make a single crochet and 2 double crochets into the same stitch. Continue like this all the way to the end. This is all you're going to do. I'm going to do a couple more rows and then I will come back and show you what it looks like once you have a couple more rows. Okay, so here's my stitch. I did a couple more rows and that's what it looks like. Like I said, it's got lots of texture. It's a beautiful stitch that's perfect for making baby blankets, and it was very easy to make. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.